Good day, everyone. So for today's lesson, we have coordinate geometry. Okay, so this morning we will have to find the following. Given y is equal to 5x plus 3, find the following. Number 1, x-intercept, y-intercept gradient of the line, which is actually the slope of the line. And the last one is the equation of the line. So how do we do this? First is we will find the x-intercept. Okay, take note that x-intercept is actually the value of x when y is equal to 0. So let's focus on the equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, we write that and then we write 0. We substitute 0 for y. And then it becomes 0 is equal to 5x plus 3. Solving for x, we simplify by adding like terms. So we will add 0 and 3. By addition property of equality, we will have that 0 minus 3. Since this one is positive here, if we apply addition property of equality, then it becomes negative 3 here. So negative 3 is equal to 5x. Solving for x again, we will divide that both sides by 5. In order for the numerical coefficient of x to be 1, and then we will get x only here because 5 divided by 5 will be 1. So x is equal to negative 3 over 5. So our coordinate for this one, our x is negative 3/5, and our y coordinate is 0. Okay, next. Solving for y-intercept. Also, you have to be reminded that y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So we will substitute 0 to x. Our equation becomes y is equal to 5 times 0 plus 3. So 5 times 0, of course, is 0 plus 3. Then we get the value of y, which is 3. So our y-intercept, also represented by the symbol B, is positive 3. Our coordinate for that is 0, 3. Our x is 0, and our y value is 3. So we have two coordinates, negative 3/5 and 0, and 0, 3. Therefore, we can plot these 2 points or these two ordered pairs in a Cartesian plane in order to get the line. Okay? Or if you have the table of values, say for example, you assign values of x. So if we let x be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, then we get the values of y below them, negative 7, negative 2, 3, 8, 13, and 18. So how do we get the values of y? If we substitute each value of x to the equation, y is equal to 5x plus 3, then we get the following answers here. Okay, next is we have to solve for the value of slope or the gradient of the line. So we have the formula m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is equal to all over, so slope again. Slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So if we get two pairs from the table of values, you can use any. In my case, I will use the values 1, 8, and 0, 3. So my y sub 2 is 8 minus 3, which is y sub 1, all over 1 minus 0. Simplifying that, we get 8 minus 3 is 5, all over 1. So 5 over 1 is also 5. Okay, and the last one is we have to solve for the equation of the line. Take note of the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So since we have already solved for the slope 5, and we have also solved for the y-intercept, which is 3, that means the equation of the line is y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, so below here, I used another set of ordered pairs. I used negative 3/5, 0, and 0, 3. So still, I will get the slope 5. So which means that you can use any other ordered pairs in your table of values, or you can use the coordinates you got from the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so this lesson is actually a supplement lesson in the NLC with the topic Coordinate Geometry Lesson 5. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening.